patapos yung laro eh. Ikaw pang nagkalat dyan. Kailangan pressure rin ito eh para dito sa mga players na tatapos na laro. So unti-unti na nga lalabas ni Coach Tim Ko ng kanyang mga starters.
Sunny Cabato is
Si Sunny Cabato
is also inside. Si Mano Sunny, kumusta ka? At hopefully, fully recovered ka na.
Tama. Here's Chico Laneta, pinaposte si Rico Villanueva against Quinahan. And the defensive intensity is still there for the Alaska Aces, giving no easy looks at the basket.
Eddie Laure ang matatawagan. You look at the bench players of Alaska na nasa loob ngayon. We're talking about Eddie Laure, Aaron Aban, Junjun Cabato. Kita mo rin ang tikas itong lineup ni Coach Tim Con. At itong tatlong players na ito, ang makikita mo, hindi ito yung mga stereotypical na position players. Pwede itong mag-iba-iba ng posisyon.
Here's Aaron Aban. It's an 81-49 lead by the Alaska Aces. Cabato hands it off to Aban against Sands. Pasa niya, naagaw. Here's Chico Lanete leading the break for Pure Foods. Iwan yung bola. Ito, binigay kay Rico Villanueva. Ito, may double team pa. A traveling violation on Rico Villanueva.
Kaya napapangiti si Coach Tim Con. Even his bench player showing good defense. The same tenacity at the defensive end of the court.
Parang yung logo ng showbiz yung parang isang maskara nakangiti, isang maskara simangot naman. Yung tail of both benches. Here's Cabato to the corner. Aban shoots it and he nails ATM 3.
Not surprised. Ito si Aban, talagang talented player ito. That's his 4th point in the ball game. Kanina he made a free throw.
Richard D backing on down against Cabato. Richard D fades away. Wala pa rin.
Kita mo, every player dito can actually dribble. We saw Eddie Laure dribbling earlier. Even Junjun Cabato.
Cabato missing on that one. Here's Jonathan Salvador. Binigay kay Lanete. Lanete going down court to Villanueva. Villanueva, sidestepping move against Quinahan. Wala, he gets his own miss. Umangat pa, and there's a foul. Called against Quinahan.
Pero hirap na hirap pa rin. Even the likes of Rico Villanueva. Ordinarily, when the ball is given to him inside the paint, that would be his territory, but not tonight.
Pag ganito kasing ganyan ng kalaki lamang at wala talaga ng nangyaring maganda para sa inyo, parang ang bigat na rin ng paa mo
Villanueva now has 7 points but only 1 field goal coming up a follow-up. Lahat ng ibang puntos niya sa free throw niya na kinuha.
Two misses for Rico Villanueva at ito may loose ball foul pa. Against John Dan Salvador. Under 3 minutes na lang natitira bago matapos ang kalbaryo dito ng Pure Foods TJ Giants.
So this would be a threatening situation for Pure Foods to post their franchise low pagdating sa point production in the ball game.
So because of this win, impending win by the Alaska Aces, lalampasan na nila itong Pure Foods sa ating team standings. They will go to 6-6. Pure Foods will go down to 5-6. So this is a big win for the Aces.
And that would put Alaska into a solo 6th position.
Oo.
So, but, you know, it would indicate that they are now the hottest team.
Yes.
With a 4-game winning streak. Next only Ginebra with 3.
That's the first time nga na nangyari yan sa ating conference, 4-game winning streak.
And this could be a signal for the teams on the top because 2 of the hottest teams are nandun sa bottom 5.
And if you remember, last Philippine Cup, itong Santa Lucia, had a bad start. Tapos nagsunod-sunod rin yung panalo nila pagdating ng second round. This could be a good sign also for the Alaska Aces. They had a bad start, 2-6. Ngayon, 4-game winning streak.
Even Ginebra.
Even Ginebra.
Very long losing streak before winning a championship.
Oo. Nakasipalpal pa dito si Eddie Laure. Richard D, couple of fakes. RD Larong in the ball game. Dito na ang Outlast 2 minutes. Atid sa inyo ng Outlast maintenance-free battery. Start agad. Offensive foul on Junjun Kabatu. Something that his dad was known for.
Parang
A barreling drive.
Oo,
by,
yung
Sunny Kabatu.
para kay Sunny Kabatu talaga yung barreling drive na yun.
Oo. Lanete. Pinipilit pakawala. Binigay kay Salvador against Kinyahan. Hook shot is good for Jondan Salvador.
I was about to say na si Jondan Salvador, who started in the ball game for Pure Foods, actually started well on defense, but he was not given touches on the offensive end.
Ito ngayon si Aban. Aban, binigay kay Kinyahan and dinaktak pa nito si J.R. Kinyahan.
Oh, baby shock kung tawagin.
Gawa ng bola dito. Jondan Salvador. The power move.
Oy, hindi, na-break na nila. Mabibreak pa lang, naitay na nila. 53 points.
Oh, 53. Yung all-time franchise low. Eto, mabi-feature natin yun si J.R. Kinyahan with this Yakult Slam Dunk brought to us by Yakult Everyday. Everyday okay, sigurado ka dyan.
At you see the smiles in the bench of Alaska, including their import, imitating how J.R. Kinyahan made his dunk.
And just imagine a few games back when they were 2-6, wala kang makita nakangiti dyan sa team na yan.
So a win really changes a lot sa composure, sa tenacity,
And sa attitude.
sa attitude ng isang player ng isang koponan. And that's that's what Alaska is experiencing right now. But again, this is the coach's job not to put complacency, na kailangan maging aware din sila na lagi nilang pinupukpok yung mga players nila.
E tignan mo, si Coach Tim Cone, nandiyan pa rin, nakatayo pa rin sa sideline. Is Richard D, nawala ng bola.
And this is what bench players should realize. When minutes are given to them, this is the time that their coaches are assessing them. Kung mapapalalim nila yung kanilang bench, yung magagamit sila sa crucial situation. That's why, hindi puro trash points dapat ang kinukuha mo. The same focus na ino-obserbahan ng mga coaches mo, ang dapat ipakita mo dito sa mga ganitong pagkakataon.
Amen. I know how that feels.
87-54, wala pa rin puknat.
At least hindi na yung all-time franchise low na lampasan na.
By a point.
By a point. So ito, we're just waiting for the final score, mga kaibigan. As Chico Lanete with a TM press.
Kanina pa nila hinahanap, ngayon nagdatingan. Nung wala ng tao.
Alright, so ito ngayon, 11 seconds sa shot clock ng Alaska. Kabatu, sumaksak sa loob. Kabatu, gusto makisali sa scoring, hindi pa nakuha doon. Here's Lanete. Saan na rin titira nito? Lanete with back-to-back TM press.
Too like the hero. But now he earned his 12 point.
We're just waiting for Alaska to dribble the time away. And that will do it. Finally, itong suffering na Pure Foods has ended because Coach Tim Cone and his Wards have dominated this ball game from start to finish, mga kaibigan, notching their 6th win against 6 losses. More importantly, establishing a record of sorts in this conference. 4 straight wins for Alaska. Yan po ang ating final score, 88-60.
And what a way for Alaska to get this win, ha? From the very start, from the very first possession, talaga pinakita nila that they are not only eager but they are dying to have their winning streak extended.
Alright, at ito, papakita natin sa inyo ang ating Gatorade game turning point. Habang ito si Larry Fonasier, napakaganda pa rin ng production dito ni Fonasier, napakalayo 3. Ayan po, hatid sa inyo ng Gatorade. Is it in you?
That's early in the third quarter. Tinignan
Oo.
natin kung